Alright, so it is 10 a.m. and half of us are still sleeping. Well, a few of us, including Bella and Juliana, are awake. So, ohayou gozaimasu. You know, the first thing I do when I get to a new place is check out the kitchen. I love this kitchen. It's not big, especially by American standards, but it seems to have everything I need, and that's all I want, really. I thought I would explore the drawers. Okay, that's cool. What is this? What is that? Oh, it's just bowls and strainers. Okay. Some wooden spoons. Oh, I like that they put the knives here. Other than the fact that kids could get to it, but maybe not. I mean, kids wouldn't think to go there. That's cool. I like how it's hidden. This corner pull out. It's really cool. It has a whole bunch of stuff. I like that there's these gloves. I'm gonna probably try to get food grade gloves. I find that it's very convenient when you're traveling as well. Okay, yeah. So there's a whole bunch of stuff there. This is the dishwasher. I believe they had one of these pull-out type in our last Airbnb, which, man, was so long ago. I think 2017. Utensils. Oh, I love that they have wooden ones. Lots of wooden ones. Wow. It's like they know me. Anyways, chopsticks. See those little things? These little things are what you put on the table to. This little thing is what you put on the table to rest your chopsticks so the end doesn't touch the table. Bowls, really cute bowls, kitty cups in a drawer that the kids can reach. I love that. Just some knickknacks, paper plates. I don't know if I use that often. And then just a random spatula fork thing and a wooden spoon. It's cool that the drawers go all the way down. Ooh, this is a flat pan griddle. We definitely would use that. Let's see what's up here. Oh, nothing there. It doesn't look like. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, here's all the pots and pans. Cute. What kind is this? Huh, ceramic maybe? It'll be the first time I'm using ceramic. I could get down with that. This is the oven. Okay. So in Japan they grill fish, and I believe this is the grill for fish. There's this, another grill. I don't know why. Maybe the other one doesn't work. Oh, it's a toaster. No, this is a toaster. See, the only thing about this is I prefer this counter be open, so I will probably move this often when I'm cooking, but I don't know where. Maybe over there. That's the only bummer. Another thing too, I'll put the rice cooker up there and get way more counter space. I'll put these guys away because you know me, I'll throw it down in the kitchen. Got the stove top right here. These stove tops in Japan sometimes only have two. I've even seen it where it only has one, but three is nice. It's a different design than in America. You got your hood range. Let's continue the tour. Up here, cleaning stuff. Winnie the Pooh. Okay, we gotta utilize this. We're gonna add some stuff to this today when we go to the grocery store. Okay, wine glasses. Oh, look at this. Something to hide back here. A little serving platter. Oh, hot pot. Ooh, hot. What is this? Looks like something for hot pot. Is there a burner back there? Huh, that's cool. What's inside here? Probably use that. Okay, I want to open this, but how the heck do you open it? Oh, maybe it's not to be opened. Huh. I don't know what this is. Oh shit. I've never seen that before. I just started touching buttons. It looks, I think that's on. Tell me that ain't the freaking coolest thing ever. Okay. What? Is that to dry things? That is cool. That is freaking. Let me show you guys. I'm trying to step back while doing it. Whoa. Whoa, Japan. That is awesome. Okay, that's pretty cool. All right, so behind us, we got a fridge. This fridge has multiple sections. It's very smart to have multiple sections. Some of the stuff we got at 7-Eleven. This, I think, is another fridge. See, if you need to get something out of here, why bother all the food in here? So this is why they have sections. We're starting to do this in the States now. Ice, okay, just when you need ice, you have a drawer for that. This, what is this? Tell me in the comments, what is this drawer for? Why is there a pan in there? As if, oh, meat. I bet you, oh, maybe, I don't know what it's for. And then you've got your freezer. Standard, there's a drawer right there. Reminds me of my grandmother's. Random stuff up there. I remember seeing this in the listing. Yeah, they got you taken care of. When you got tons of plates, that's awesome. I'm gonna throw down, we're gonna have a feast. Ziplocs, plastic wrap, sponges. Good to know we got all that, wait. Oh yes, hey. There's a cook here. Metal sponge. What is this? Plastic bag? Oh, garbage bags. There you go. More plates. I think that's about it. Oh, there is one thing I didn't check. Just a battery. Huh, nothing over there. And you got a very informative fire extinguisher. Wonder if this is an Airbnb roll because that is very detailed. I've never seen that. Good morning. Did you get a good sleep? Yeah? You feeling good? You want me to go buy you guys some delicious food?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've been sleeping for 9 hours.
No, we went to sleep at 4 a.m. 3 a.m.
5 hours.
Yeah, but it's 5 hours. Okay. Combustibles, other waste, plastics you can't recycle. Then you got your actual plastic bottles, cans, and glass bottles probably. Some cleaning stuff. That's the tour of our Airbnb kitchen that we'll be cooking and cleaning for the next couple of weeks. One more thing I wanted to add to the kitchen tour is this sink. Big sink is amazing. Look at this. You can have, oh, you know what you can fit in this? The whole griddle, the flat griddle. That's cool. Of course, pots and pans, easy. I want this. Another thing too, you just wipe it right in. It's all one big unit. Or is it one unit? I wonder how this works. If it just is a unit you buy. I feel like they maybe somehow weld it together, but yeah. And this just makes sense too. You put all your cleaning stuff right in this basket and then it all drains down. Yes?
Maybe he bought like the top. See?
What's that? Yeah.
Maybe he bought the top and
totally. Now it doesn't look as pretty because it's this aluminum material, but way more convenient. And in fact, in my next kitchen, I want it to be functional in terms of so I'm gonna have a show kitchen, by the way. This is gonna be, so we're gonna have like an area where I can cook. I guess you could call it a dirty kitchen, and it'll be 100% functional for easy cleaning. I could just spray it off with a hose. You ready to go?
hose?
With a hose.
You gonna bring it from the window and spray it?
No, I might. Well, no. I was just joking around. But you ready to go get something to eat? Let's go.